Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by signing into Icloud. Calm and opening mail, make sure two-factor authentication is completed. Once done, use a desktop browser because the web interface gives the multi-select controls you need. Mobile apps lack bulk delete power. You'll want to sort by sender or subject to group messages. This grouping lets you delete many at once instead of clicking dozens of individual messages. Make sure you're in the inbox or the target folder before proceeding to avoid accidental deletions. Now you'll perform the bulk selection. Search by sender or subject to list only the messages you want, then use Shift+click to select Arrange or Command, Mac/Control, Windows, plus click to pick scattered items. Once grouped, check the count at the top to confirm you have the intended number. You're doing this to minimize errors and to speed the delete action. Grouping reduces load and avoids hitting hidden rate limits on iCloud servers. Click Delete to move the selected emails to trash, and then empty trash to permanently remove them. This two-step process prevents instant permanent loss. Once done, make sure to refresh the mailbox and verify the count dropped as expected. If something goes wrong, like failure to delete or server errors, wait 30 to 60 minutes and retry, and check Apple's system status. If you accidentally deleted important mail, recover it from trash within 30 days before emptying to restore messages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.